Welcome to Mule Show, as Siri says, or locally, Mule Shoe. We are here with the town mule.
It is a memorial to the mule, which there's a very poetic plaque there, which I'll show you in a little bit. But it talks all about the mule, which is deprived of progeny, yet nobly helping humankind throughout history. Mule Shoe, Texas is kind of in our target area, and there are little clouds going up, and it's getting warmer, and things are starting to align, but you know, there's a lot of uncertainty today.
Mostly, I love that it is close to all of our old haunts: Hereford, Brownfield, Lubbock.
We had a really good year down here last year. Yeah, beautiful storms last year.
Really, though, we would just like a storm.
Right, we just want a storm. There are other chasers behind us enjoying the Mule Memorial, and we've seen some dots on the map, so we know there are a lot of chasers out today, and hopefully we will see storms and not that many chasers.
And friends.
And friends, yeah. Our friend Jason is heading this way. He's got a long haul from Denver, but hopefully we'll see him too. So that's it, I guess. Any other thoughts before this day begins?
I'm checking for sun halos because yet again, it's the circumstances are right, but it's not quite.
Well, we don't really want one because
we really
I
don't.
don't think that would be ideal. It's 3:13 p.m. We are going south out of Mule Shoe, more based on a feeling than anything. More based on the boundary appears to be lifting somewhat, and I think we might get the most excitement on the boundary. But then again, the better upper flow support is up here. Morton, which is a town I've been thinking about this since this morning, is only about 30 miles south. So we might go to there, or maybe we'll stop halfway at needs more, or need more.
Need more.
Need more.
Need more storms.
We need more storms. So off we go. We are going east out of, what's the town? Enox. And there's an outflow boundary to our southwest that's about to overtake us. And behind us are the cells, a little cluster of cells. Shit.
And in front of us are some deer.
Be real careful because there's a whole herd of deer by the road here. Yes.
Be perfect.
You'll never believe it. A herd of deer right into my shot. Wall of dust in your future.
So funny, I looked at my dust line on my palm this morning and it didn't seem to point to this direction.
Yes, I can talk to my
Wow.
crazy pants. Damn you, Morton. You were my target this morning.
You really were. I need you to infinity lock, my friend. Thank you.
This is a paper. We have to turn around and beat it out of here. This is scary looking radar. Like it looks like we're right in front of a tornado. Even though we can't see it.
But we can't see. Not open the door.
That's a monster beast. thing is a monster. Giant hail, possibly tornado or tornadoes, wild lightning, sucking in mass amounts of dust, which makes it really hard to see. And we have to be very careful not to be caught in the hail or obviously the rotation. Getting some precip now. And we have to bug out of here really fast. Jeez. The worst hail I think is going to be to our north, but my concern is the rotation and which way that's going. We may have to drop south a bit in a minute. And if it turns into a big traffic jam, then I might drop south sooner. Because obviously I don't want to be stuck in the Congo line.
Currently on a north-south, yes.
Yes, so we can just due south. Sort of. Well, that's okay. That's fine. I mean, the other option would be east. So if that's a I can't remember.
Oh, 97, yes.
So that's another option.
Yes.
So
Which oh my God, I'll let you know when we approach either option if you want. 597.
it's amazing. I mean, it's getting really close to us, but it's so hard to see anything. You see where this rotation is, and we're right here. Like that feels a little close.
Not sure. What's standing up there?
It is. I'm with you.
I was like, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get back in the car.
But we just need to reposition.
Yeah. Careful because you're coming up on the 597 to the left. This person also may be turning left, but right now they're going slow as dust.
Oh my God. Giant tumbleweeds crossing the road here. Holy crap. Enormous mammatus above our heads. Enormous. It might be producing a tornado right now, but we can't see in there. But we are heading now toward a spot where we might maybe we'll be able to see the base at least. I mean, this is a real mess. So we're coming west out of Levelland now at 8:20 p.m.
Yeah, because this is the 1780.
Well, folks, we're probably looking at a tornado. In fact, there's a darkness. Look at that darkness in front of us. We just can't see anything through the dust. So let me pull out over here. God in heaven, it is insanity.
It's definitely a darkness.
I don't know what to tell you, my friend. Wow. Very well could be a tornado in there that we just can't see. We're not in good position to see it. Oh well. More disappointment. Mother of God, though. I mean, good luck, right?
Yeah.
Good luck seeing it. Oh, wow. It looks like a big haboob in this picture.
It does.
Which isn't good. That looks like a tornado in there, though. It does. It looks like a tornado. I don't know if it is. Come on, camera. Let me take a couple of icons so I can bring it out later. It's gonna get ugly. It's coming out of it. Oh my God.
Be careful.
I think we might be either beginning our haboob or a serious RFD right here.
This here, this is nuts.
Oh my God, it's just crazy. Oh, I hope that's in focus. It's really hard to
It's
see.
beautiful. Are we safe here?
I don't know. I think we're about to get munched by the haboob. Let's get out of here. Is there a south road? We want to go south, I think.
Yeah, 1780 goes south.
Let's have it on the radar. Come on, load her up, baby. Oh my God, we are going to get munched. We gotta get out of here. Oh, look at this. This is
Crap.
what I'm worried about.
Now we are in the chaser line. The chaser line.
Chaser
Let us out.
line.
Let us out. Let us merge. Get a clue. Thank you.
Bless your soul.
Friend.
I don't know whether to go
Chaser.
east or south. I think south would be best, but you got to get us on that road. East first, good. Oh my God, it's so crazy.
I suspect you're just going to be following all these folks.
Probably, I don't know. It depends on which way they go. I mean, east, you might stay with it. I can't really tell from this.
How far east you
Yeah,
wanna
actually,
go.
we could just go east. Okay, at least people are driving pretty fast. Don't stop, people. Do not stop. And keep them, if there are any south, just keep in mind south roads in case we have to bail suddenly. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's hooking above, but it's almost like outflow here, like a big road. See how all the wind's blowing toward us now. Wow, it's getting really dark. I see it. I see it. Oh man. I know. Wow. It's like layers. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro. I just want to get this picture.
Yes.
This picture.
Yes, because I also would like to get a pan of...
My God! My God!
The structure is amazing.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, and inflow isn't too terrible here.
I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, God. tractor fleeing the couplet. Look at this thing. Wow. Amazing structure.
You still see the structure on that? Oh yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, and I mean, if we get lightning, we can get some maybe lightning shots or at least some lightning.